Africa Content TV.
As true Muslims, we hold on to God's admonition that He is the maker, the giver, the taker of life. So we have accepted it. Our prayer now is that God will grant his soul Al-Jannah Firdaus, or peace, eternal peace in heaven. Console the family, Ibadanland, Oyo State, Nigeria, and the world. Trained as an engineer, joined the Nigerian Army, rose to the position of head of engineering, and retired as a major. After his service to the nation as an army officer, he went to business. His bakery was one of the best in the West. That is, shows you that he was well-read, industrious, disciplined, yet friendly.
And now, talking about the next Olubadan, we are now at the residence of the next Olubadan.
Are we?
Yes, yes.
Mama,
How does that make you feel, Baba?
Again, I'm going to tell you, my dear colleague.
Senior colleague.
My colleague.
No, I'm not just Baba.
A soldier is a soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier.
A journalist is a journalist. But if you knew, you will have known that Olubadan elect that one only one. Baba rẹ̀ látún wá baba rẹ̀ ní from the Ekere Ajengbe Ladoja Isalosi family tie. Not only that, when he was governor of Oyo State, he appointed me as a member of the committee that rehabilitated Mako Hall. That's almost 20 years ago. And before I left service of Odua Investment Company Limited as the pioneer general manager of corporate affairs, I interrelated with him as a governor of one of the stakeholder states of Odua. So, with due respect, I would say primordially and officially we have been close since I was born. I'm a young man. By the grace of God, my next birthday will be 75, and that is just 4 months away. So you should ask, or when you do your research, you look at our names without due respect. What's his name?
Rasheed.
It's not Rashid.
Rashid. It was
Rashidi.
He is Rashidi. I am Abdul Rashid. Do you know his conglomerate? Muriki won. He's a common. I am a common. Is that enough?